In this video, I'm going to discuss about what are plugins and how are they helpful. So we have discussed in so many earlier videos also about plugins, especially the Beaver Builder plugin. So plugins are basically shortcuts to getting your site to do what you want to without having to build the features from the scratch. You can use your plugin to do everything from adding photo galleries, submission forms, to kind of optimizing your website through SEO and creating an online store or whatever. So to install plugin, just you have to go to plugin, add new. We have seen this part, I'm just repeating it for the sake of it. And you just go on search here whatever plugin you want. So one important plugin is Yoast SEO. We'll deal about this in the digital marketing course. So whenever you search the plugin, it just appears, just click on install now, and after it has been installed you just need to press activate it. So after it is activated, you are redirected to the dashboard. So this is how you play with plugins. And one most important tip that I must share you, that means, if you are stuck anywhere in WordPress, just Google. Just don't give up, because believe me, it is simple, filthy simple. You'll get a plugin for your own requirement. There is no difference between experts and beginners except for the fact that experts are good at Googling and not giving up. So another important plugin is of Google Analytics. I think that comes installed by default. Just search. So it's already mentioned here. Please configure your Google Analytics settings. So let's see which plugin is this. It's Monster Insights plugin. This is the best analytics plugin for WordPress for analytics and tracking. So we'll discuss more about this in the next video, that is about SEO and analytics.